What a wonderful day for FPV, right? It seems to me that I didn't show the full potential of the drone that I showed in my previous video. Yes, it is waterproof, but there is something else. Let me show. You may remember this pool from previous video, and you may have noticed the rain, but that's not all. It is night outside. If you're a new pilot or only has experience with digital water or something, or maybe you're true an island pilot, it's also a different story. And there is also a VISTA video transmission, and it can be equipped with a polar camera, like in my case. And this camera actually allows us to fly in the dark as well.
Welcome to Tango 2.
Right now we're not talking about some components or electronics, motors. Actually, all of this doesn't matter. In this video I want to show you how universal a drone can be. Nothing prevents you from flying.